I've just found some paperwork on the floor after I've dismantled those cabinets. It's really quite sad really, because it's evidence of another person's life. So this is going back to the 27th of June 2010, so that's 8.5 years ago. And you can see, look, somebody's obviously going to take part in a buffet, and they've made a list of what's required, what's to do. It's very sad, isn't it? And the person who actually made these notes, who made this list, could have possibly contemplated that 8.5, 9 years after writing this list, the house would be in somebody else's possession, being ripped apart, and that person may not actually be here with us today. It's food for thought, isn't it, eh? So we've got another one here, look. So this looks like somebody's sketch or plan of the garden. So this is the fence which my current next door neighbour wants me to repair, and this is where, you know, the person's actually set out where they want stuff in the garden. This is a plan of the garden. So what have we got then? Here we can see there's a drain. We want some roses down there and some flowers, and they've sketched it out, look. The tree, that's since been cut down, not by me, by another. And I've got some little flower borders there. Looks like some slabs there. So this is the garden, look. It's very sad, isn't it? Certainly makes you stand back and think, makes you realise how fragile life is.